Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. This one is going to be an inboard engine. It is 1998 Mercruiser 3.0. It's a carbureted model. Got compression 165, 160, 155, 165. Stays within the 10%, what we're looking for. Just going to do a video of it running here quick. I'll have a little more on it once I do the listing. Go ahead and fire this one up here. Go ahead and shut it off. Fire it back up. The idle is set a little high, but we're just parting this boat out. That'll all be adjusted when it's installed in your new boat. If you have any questions or anything, you can give me a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.